video, I will show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to WED2C. To do this, what you want to do is open up CJ Dropshipping, and in the left menu of your account, go to Authorization. Now if you don't have a CJ Dropshipping account yet, you can sign up for free through the link down in the description. After doing that, from Authorization, you will find WED2C. Go and click on it, and then they will give you two options. Now you can see the step-by-step process here. So first you need to link your account, free access to individual e-commerce store, product listing, product marketing, order fulfillment, and profit settlement. Now what you want to do is just click link account, and from here what you can do is either register with your CJ account, or if you already have a WED2C account, which I do, just enter your email and password. From there click sign in. And then if you have the account, it will then sign you in. So you can see it's now connected. Now from there you have linked your account. Now you may directly share your product links without an online store. Then you can select the products on CJ or WED2C and click sell and earn before setting a price to list them. Then you need to market them, order fulfillment, etc. But now you have connected your WED2C account with your CJ Dropshipping account. So now you know how to connect CJ Dropshipping to WED2C. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.